Yes, dear students. Now, after neutralization reaction, one thing more I want to tell you, that which is related to your this chapter, that pH value. pH value means here they have written pH more than 8.3 or pH less than 4.5. In this way, if anywhere they have written pH in this way, that means hydrogen ion concentration. pH means hydrogen ion concentration. Means this pH value shows us that whether any substance is acidic or basic. You children, you know that when we check that bases with the litmus paper and acids with the litmus paper, then we can see that if we use red litmus paper and if we put in any of the base, it will change color from red to blue. And in case of acid, when we use litmus paper, means blue litmus paper, it will turn blue to red in color. So that means if red color comes, means blue litmus change into red, that means it is acid. And if red litmus turn into blue, that means it is base. So this thing we can check with the help of litmus paper. But children, if we want to know that any acid is how much acidic, means acidity of any acid, or we can say acidic character of any acid, ki how we can detect that any acid is strong or any acid is weak acid. So we can check with the help of another kind of paper which is called pH paper. Okay, and I'll show you that pH paper also. And in the same similarly, in case of bases also, if we check the bases, whether any base is strong or weak base, that also we can check with the help of pH paper. That basicity of any substance or acidity of any substance we can check with the help of pH paper. Means pH paper हमें क्या बताता है चिल्ड्रन, कि कोई भी एसिड जो है वो कितना एसिडिक है, मीन्स उसमें एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी कितनी है, वो कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कितना वीक है. एंड सेम इन केस ऑफ बेसेस, दैट एनी बेस how much it is strong and how much it is weak base. So that we will check with the help of pH paper. So I'll show you that children, this is a scale, means pH paper is inside it. Here you can see pH paper is coming in this way, means strips are there. But on that strips, these two scales they have given. On first scale they have written pH 1 to 7, means 1 से लेके 7 तक pH नंबर इस पे दिए हुए हैं. And every number has different shade of color. Okay, and after that, here you can see, here are the shades of red. Means if any acid has pH 1, that means it should give this color. Means strip will, if we put pH paper in that kind of solution, just like pH 1 has pH 1 is shown by the strongest acids, just like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. If we put strip pH strip in that kind of acid, it will show this kind of color. We can easily understand when we match with this pH scale, we can easily understand that it is a strongest acid. And if any acid show this type of color, means light, we can say red or slightly orange type, that means its pH is 3 and it is stronger, not strongest. Okay, this is strongest, this is stronger. So in this way, slowly yellowish color comes, and finally at 7 pH we get neutral substances. Means if we check water, tap water, simple water, then we can get 7 pH. Means its color will match with this only. So children, when we dip this pH strip in any of the substance, then we can check the acidity of that acid by matching color with these kind of shades. Okay, and this is called pH scale, and from 1 to 7 we use for acids. Okay, and after this, second scale is also given here, which I'll show you. It has, see, it has different shades of colors, and from 8 to 14, this scale of pH is shows us about the bases. Means if we check any of the strongest base, it will fall in the category of 14. Okay, and means dark blue, it will come in as a dark blue, and as the reading will decrease, that means stronger base, and here weak bases comes, up to 8 weak base will come. Okay, so here we can, if we check with the sodium hydroxide, it is the strongest base, and sodium hydroxide, if we put that pH paper in sodium hydroxide, then it will give color just like this. Okay, this is a dark blue kind of color. So children, this is a kind of scale, and at 7 I told you that between 7 and 8 we get the neutral substances. Okay, and these two scales are given along with these pH papers, and these are the pH papers. Children, in the same way you can see easily these are the pH papers, and with these pH papers we can check the acidity and basicity of any of the substances. Understand? You know that this paper is yellowish in color, and before that I have shown you that litmus papers are coming in only two colors, red and blue. With that we can check whether any substance is acidic or basic. Means कोई substance acid है या base है, वो हम check करते हैं litmus paper के साथ. Okay, but ये जो pH पेपर है, इससे हम क्या चेक करेंगे? इससे हम चेक करेंगे कि कौन सा एसिड कितना एसिडिक है और कौन सा बेस कितना बेसिक. ओके